Hello, hello. This is Irene with SaugaTalks today. Hello, Happy New Year, everyone. It's 2021 already. We're going to talk about trends. We're going to talk about what to expect in 2021 from FinTech, InsurTech, tech in general. So artificial intelligence. We'll talk about interesting trends today with Spiros Margaris. Welcome.
Thank you very much for having me on your show.
Absolutely. Pleasure is mine, because Spiros, you are venture capitalist, you're futurist. You are doing a lot of things in fintech and insurtech. You're advising companies, and that makes you perfect guest for today's topic. Can you please talk to us? Observations from 2020. What are interesting insights? Let's start with fintech first. That's going to carry us forward to 2021.
Of course, we're all kind of a little bit experts on COVID, on the pandemic, and the pandemic obviously is still carrying on to this year, 2021, and we will see. What we've seen already, a difficult year last year. I think we will see another difficult year this year, where we're going to see a lot of startups, companies to merge or go under, because the economy will suffer, I believe, and it will be harder for many companies, startups to raise capital, unless you're already quite established and have already a strong investor base. So I see the same as we saw last year, this year going on, at least for the first half of 2021.
Absolutely. So what do you say? Digital transformation 2030 came to us in 2020. Is it driven by company leadership? Is it driven by industry, or it's driven by COVID in some cases?
I think it's driven by COVID, but I think we've seen the big transformation we saw last year, digital transformation, the one that within a short period of time, we saw changes happening, adoption of technology, which would have taken much longer. But I think this scale is behind us. I don't think, what can a grandmother do than already do FaceTime or Zoom or whatever she hasn't done before? Or some things, we already paying with all kinds of digital ways, from credit card to with your phone, etc. For people who haven't done it, this is like second nature. So I think we don't have to look at digital transformation now, this acceleration of digital transformation, but now that has been done now. I think don't expect this huge shrinking of time of adapting to new technologies. I think we've seen that last year, and this year is more a time of consolidation of the different issues that people have now and will have with COVID. I think some people have very different problems now than looking for the newest tech. I think the people are worried more about the economy, about being able to pay their rent, or other worries. They have health worries, a lot of other worries. And it's not about gadgets. It's not about having the newest tech. I think there are different priorities people will have.